In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display flagged emails on top in Outlook. If you use flags to mark messages you need to act on, putting them at the very top of your inbox can save you time and keep important tasks front and center. Let's walk through the exact clicks to make that happen, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so it all makes sense. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook and head straight to your inbox. This change applies to whatever folder you're viewing, so it's a good idea to start in the place where you process most of your mail. Once you're in the inbox, look up at the ribbon across the top and choose the View tab. The View tab controls how your messages are displayed, and it's where we'll adjust the order of your list. Next, select View Settings. This opens the Advanced View Settings window, which is essentially the control room for the current folder's layout and sorting. From here, click the button labeled Sort. You'll see a dialog with a Sort Items By drop-down. This menu lists the different properties you can sort on, like Received Date, From, and Subject. Open the Sort Items By drop-down and choose Flag Status. By sorting on Flag Status, you tell Outlook to arrange the list based on whether a message is flagged, completed, or not flagged at all. To make sure flagged messages appear at the top, confirm that Descending is selected. Descending puts the most attention-worthy flag state first, which is exactly what we want. If Ascending were chosen, you'd likely see unflagged items first, burying the messages you care about. Once flag status is selected and descending is set, click OK to close the sort dialog, then click OK again to exit the Advanced View Settings window and apply your changes. You should immediately see your list update with flagged messages rising to the top of the inbox. This doesn't change the content of your emails, it simply changes the order so your action items are visible without scrolling. A couple of helpful notes as you use this view. This sort order affects only the folder you changed, so if you want the same behavior in other folders, repeat these same steps there. If you ever want to go back to sorting by date, return to View Settings, open Sort, and switch Sort Items By back to Received. And remember, you can still sort within the flagged group by clicking column headers like From or Received without losing the emphasis on flagged items. That's it, your flagged emails are now front and center, exactly where they should be.